If you're skipping eggs but still want a high-protein breakfast, here are 8 delicious and satisfying options to power your morning. 1. Greek yogurt parfait. 1 cup Greek yogurt. 152 OG protein, fresh berries and nuts for added fiber and healthy fats. Drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of granola for crunch. 2. Protein smoothie. 1 scoop protein powder. 20 to 25 grams protein. 1 cup almond or dairy milk. 1/2 banana plus handful of spinach. 1 TBSP peanut butter or chia seeds. 3. Cottage cheese with fruit and nuts. 1 cup cottage cheese. 25 grams protein. Sliced peaches, pineapple or berries, almonds, walnuts or flax seeds for texture. 4. Tofu scramble. 1/2 block firm tofu. 20 grams protein, sautéed with veggies, spinach, peppers, onions. Season with turmeric, garlic, and nutritional yeast for flavor. 5. Overnight protein oats. 1/2 cup oats plus 1 scoop protein powder. 20 grams protein. 1 cup almond milk or yogurt. Chia or flax seeds for extra nutrition. Refrigerate overnight for a creamy texture. 6. Peanut butter and banana toast. Whole grain or high protein bread. 8 to 10 grams protein. 2 TBSP peanut or almond butter. 8 grams protein. Sliced banana plus sprinkle of cinnamon. 7. Chia seed pudding. 3 TBSP chia seeds plus 1 cup almond milk. 6 grams protein. Sweeten with maple syrup or vanilla. Top with nuts, seeds, or protein granola. 8. Smoked salmon and avocado toast. Whole grain or protein bread. 3 ounces smoked salmon. 15 grams protein. Mashed avocado plus squeeze of lemon. Which one sounds best to you? You choose.